Here's more crazy news about the microplastic world we are living in. They've tested human brains. This is research going from 1997 to 2024. There's a massive increase in microplastics ending up in the human brain. Just look at this graphic here that some of it is ending up in the liver, some of it is ending up in the kidneys, but the vast majority of microplastics are ending up in the brain. Scientists found the concentration of microplastics was about 6 times higher in brain samples from people that had dementia. Obviously, this is a post mortem analysis of the plastic in the brain. But my question is, how are we going to get this out? Obviously, we can talk about avoidance in regards to Tupperware and not using single use plastic water bottles, these big sources of microplastics, encouraging people to switch to linen fabrics for their clothing, for their bedding. I've got completely rid of all synthetic fibers in my house. You got to think about your kids holding on to these little plastic stuffies, these little stuffed animals. Like, we can do all of that, but I just pray that we're going to find out that the binders, the same things that we're using, activated charcoal, zeolite clay, I'm praying that we're going to find that these can actually grab onto, just like it does with mold and other toxins. I'm hoping that we can actually mop some of this stuff up and get it out through the intestinal tract before it gets to the brain. Researchers said that we hoped that the blood-brain barrier would protect the brain from these micro and nanoplastics from entering the brain, but unfortunately it doesn't work that way.